Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your CAPS Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search CAPS Payroll Login. There, scroll down a little bit. There you can see CAPS Payroll Login, or directly go to etc.capspayroll.com. It will then take you to the login portal of CAPS Payroll. It might take a while to load the page up. Once the page has been loaded up completely, enter your email address here. Then click to next. Then enter your password. Then you should be able to access your CAPS Payroll. This is how you can log into your CAPS Payroll. To make login easier for next time, you can click to Remember Me. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.